What is up guys, I hope you all are having a great day. My name is Morris and in this video we'll be looking at the full review of the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL. As you know, Google has released their brand new flagships of 2018 to compete the Samsung series of S9 and the Note 9 along with the iPhone XS and the XS Max. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. This is gonna be a small, short and a brief review. So the biggest difference between the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL is the notch. So the Pixel 3 is similar to the Pixel 2 of last year and the Pixel 2 XL, but in comparison for the size, it is nearly equal to the Pixel 2. And the Pixel 3 XL is now with a notch and with a really odd notch. It is pulled all the way down and it is a really huge notch. And after seeing this notch, I'm really liking the iPhone notch as it is a bit slimmer and wider. So other than that, Pixel 3 as always has the best camera, best focus, single lens, keep in mind, and really brilliant photos. But on the other side, the hardware hasn't improved that much. Yes, you are going to get more RAM and more storage, but there isn't a huge leap from last year. But still, it is going to be fast. And we hope that it won't do something like the Pixel 2, as after 1 to 2 years the Pixel 2 started to slow down and it got really laggy and the camera also started to wear. But this time they look really good and Pixel 3 comes in a new pinkish color. But still the Pixel 3 is a really good phone, especially if you look at the camera, as with a single lens it can provide you 4K video at 30 FPS with both optical and electronically stabilized image to get you the best results and smooth movement. Other than that, front camera also has some new software upgrades like a better bokeh, and you can also tweak the bokeh before and after. Along with that, it also has got the 2x optical zoom, and other than that, the phone is like always very good. And on the software side, it is stock Android, so you're going to get the best experience out of the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL. The notch, it really disturbs the person. But for the cameras, both the phones have pretty good lenses and they have single lenses. And like always, the software is really optimized well with the lenses. So that was the basic review. As I told you, it was going to be a short and a brief review. So that rounded up the video, guys. I hope you had a great time watching the video. And if you really like the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you really like it, consider subscribing as it will really help you a lot. And I will catch you in the next one. So bye bye and have a nice day.